I'm Corbett Wall with TV Auction, here with a 3-minute cattle market update for Friday, January the 22nd. We're kind of wondering, have we bottomed out maybe? It just showed some signs maybe that we have, with the stock market down so hard middle of the week there, and then the board was down early in the week there, down the limit there when we first come out. But then on Wednesday really showed some support there by not going down the limit again, and then Thursday came back strong. So maybe we have found some footing there somewhere down in the bottom. Live cattle futures on the February contract Wednesday was down 205, which was really supportive, even though it was down pretty hard because everybody assumed it'd be down the limit again. Thursday up the $3 limit, so continuing the volatility to end the day Thursday at 130.25. Feeder cattle on January contract Wednesday was down $1.55. Thursday was up $3.67, and most all the out fronts were up way over $4. Ending the day on Thursday at $158.67. I really haven't traded any fats to speak of this week. Had a few in Iowa on a live basis, 126, 127, which is lower. Should be better than that this week. And a few in Nebraska on a dress basis at 202, and I'm not sure why anybody would sell cattle like that. Cattle on feed comes out here on Friday. It shows to be a pretty bearish report for analysts' predictions, so that always sets us up to have a bearish one, because it's rarely as good as what they thought it was going to be whenever they think it's going to be pretty bullish. They're figuring on feed numbers to be about 1% less than same time a year ago, placements to be 5% less, and marketings to be 2% more. So that would be pretty bullish if we can hit that, and of course if we don't hit that, then they're going to call it bearish. But your actual steer weights down again this past week. That was for the week ending January 9th at 902 pounds for an average dress steer. You look at your kill this week, so far up through Thursday there, 111,000, same as last week, and 11,000 more than the same week a year ago. El Reno, OKC West market there, had around 6,200 head. If you look at your Cattle Market Central market report out of El Reno, Oklahoma, you'll see that feeder steers were $7 to $8 lower. That was on Wednesday, whenever we really hadn't seen that support on the board that we saw here on Thursday. Feeder heifers were $8 to $12 lower. Calves $12 to $20 lower. You look at Thursday market there, and really the latest cattle that we see on Cattle Market Central of a load lot size, late Thursday was the strongest by far. So we know that this market's going to come back. Your real-time index, if you look there, is at 154.25 compared to your latest CME feeder cattle index, which is 157.96. So CME index is going to fall again for another day or two, but we might start seeing some support here really late in the week. But look at the latest load lot sale we had on CMC was Burlington Livestock Exchange in Burlington, Colorado. Had 69 head of steers, weighed 714 at 4:35 Thursday afternoon, brought 168. On Wednesday there, Torrington Livestock Market had some big calves, 193 head string of steer calves Wednesday night at 6:20 in the evening, weighed 644 at 181. That's 3 minutes. We'll talk to you next week.